Yeah, my name is Vincent, and I want to use this opportunity to tell the fans all over the world to support Cristiano Ronaldo on Monday for the because he's contesting with both Lionel Messi and Andres Iniesta for the Ballon d'Or. You know, each and every one of the players I just mentioned now truly deserves the award. Messi has been fantastic. To me, Messi is the best player in the world for now. Iniesta is also a very good player. Okay, but the truth is that when you've got great players around you, okay, you tend to do more. Okay, Messi has been playing since childhood with Gerard Piqué, Carlos Puyol, Andres Iniesta, Javi Hernandez, Sergio Busquets, Pedro Rodriguez. All these players have been playing with Messi since childhood. But Cristiano Ronaldo has a tougher path. Okay, Cristiano Ronaldo from Lisbon to Manchester United. Okay, from Manchester United to Real Madrid. Okay, and there's a rumor that maybe during the summer he will go back to PSG. Him and the special one, that is Jose Mourinho. Okay, but Cristiano is the kind of player that loves to move around. Okay, so when he's done winning trophies with Real Madrid, he will love to go. And I know that that is one fact. Okay, Cristiano Ronaldo in Manchester United. Okay, he played with a certain group of players. Okay, he played there. I think it was like 6 years. Okay, but when he moved to Real Madrid, okay, the situation changed. So then in Real Madrid, he was playing with Rafael van der Vaart. He was playing with Wesley Sneijder, Kaká, Karim Benzema, and Xabi Alonso. Okay, when Jose Mourinho came, he had to play with Ozil, Di Maria. Okay, for the league first season. Okay, in the second season, he also has to adjust to Luka Modric and Michael Essien, and still he's still trying to keep the pace with Lionel Messi. Okay, when Lionel Messi does something this week, Cristiano Ronaldo do exactly that same thing. These two are like the best players in the world, no doubt. But if the question is who is a more complete player, I would actually go with Cristiano Ronaldo. You know why? Because he's very complete. He uses his head, his legs, both he uses both legs. He has speed, he has agility. The only fault in Cristiano is that he falls to the ground easily, unlike his counterpart, Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi might seem like sluggish and slow, but that guy actually has body and some stamina. Cristiano has the strength, but I don't think he has that body balance. Okay, but Messi does not have the strength, but he has that stamina. Okay, but right now, Messi is the best player in the world. But if they come to who deserves the Ballon d'Or mostly, it's Cristiano Ronaldo. There's no doubt. You know why? And because he single-handedly took Real Madrid to a record-breaking season. Okay, he scored the most away goals in the history of La Liga last season. Okay, if not for he was very unlucky, we would have reached the finals of the Champions League. Okay, and he also had a great Euro tournament. He was amongst the top scorers. So you see, Messi Fiat was just in Barcelona. Messi Fiat just the goals he scored last season was nothing. Okay, but Cristiano goals he scored was very meaningful against Getafe, against Barcelona, against Atletico Madrid, against Athletic Bilbao, against Real Betis, against Osasuna, against FC Malaga. The thing that Messi is doing in the league now, Ronaldo did it throughout last season. So there's no doubt that Cristiano Ronaldo deserves the Ballon d'Or. And I hope Messi and Barcelona fans respect this fact. Although I agree perfectly well, like I said, that Messi is the best player in the world. But on Monday, we will know who they are going to crown. And hopefully for me, they should actually give it to the player that deserves it most. That is CR7. Okay. Hala Madrid.